What I try to do is have them look at the situation like they were trying to help a friend. How would you help a family member? And instead of saying, how do you feel? The question is, what's different today from the day before you were hurt? The thing that got me doing what I'm doing now is I was injured in the line of duty, and I know what it's like to have an injury that is a career ender. So I'm able to help people who have got injuries and more empathy than sympathy, and have them understand, hey, you're going through a difficult time, and sometimes there's a light at the end of the tunnel you just don't see right now. I'm Mike Dyer, and I'm an attorney at Dyer Law. Law is kind of a second career for me. First career was, I used to be a police officer in New York City, and I got retired on a disability in 1985, and then had to be something else when I grew up. I went out to finish my undergraduate degree and got accepted to Creighton, came out, got a law degree, met my wife. She got a law degree the year after, loved the area, and we've been here since. So I've been in Nebraska longer than I've been a New Yorker. We've had Dyer Law open for over 25 years. We've got two offices. We've got one in Omaha, one in Lincoln. We opened Dyer Law in 1992, my wife and I, in a small office in the same building we've been in since. As things started to develop, I found a practice that I'd like to work in, and that was personal injury and workers' comp. What we like to do in our practice is to treat people the way we'd like to be treated if the roles were reversed. So if I call a law firm, I'd like to talk to an attorney. And I'd like the attorney to give me advice, get to know who I am, and understand what I'm going through, and not have 3 or 4 people filter through until maybe I'm worthy of speaking to an attorney. When a client hires us, the relationship is very clear. We work for them. They're the decision maker. What we want to try and do is let them know what they're up against. So we're not going to try and overwhelm them with mumbo jumbo. It needs to be explained, and it needs to be explained in a way that everybody understands, so that when my client, who's my boss, makes a decision, they're making an informed decision that's in their best interest. The insurance industry uses a couple of tools that are very, very effective. They try to make you feel guilty for making a big deal about what's going on, and they try to make you feel greedy for asking for money. When you're the person who's hearing those things said about you, you have a tendency to minimize, because nobody wants to feel that way. And what we do is we insulate you from the insurance company so they can't use those two very proven tactics to try and get away with not paying what they owe. We want to be able to help somebody get in a better position by them hiring us. Our job is to help them make big decisions in an event in their life they're never going to forget.